Good morning, Pre-K. I haven't changed our letter of the week because we've talked about all the letters. We're not going to do any more letter videos. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over our sight words that we've done this 9 weeks, and then we're going to practice reading some sentences. And you are almost in kindergarten, so I know that you can do it because you are so smart and you are going to impress your kindergarten teachers so much. So first, let's go over our sight words. Do you remember what this word is? Were. Were, right in there. W-E-R-E. Were. We were ready for kindergarten. Were. Our next word is come. C-O-M-E. Come. You will come back to school in August. Your. Y-O-U-R. Your kindergarten teacher is going to think you're so smart. Your means something belongs to you. Some. S-O-M-E. Some of your friends are going to different schools. You won't all be in the same classroom anymore. Some. Of. But some of your friends will be at your school and they might be in your class. Of. All. A-L-L. All. All of my students are so smart and so sweet. All. With. W-I-T-H. I wish I could be with you right now. With. W-I-T-H. With. Here. H-E-R-E. Here are your last pre-K videos and lessons. Not in OT. We could not have a party at school. Did we already do this one? Were? Thought we did were. We did. I have 2 of were. This. T-H-I-S. This summer is going to be so much fun. This. So let's go over our sight words a little bit faster before we read our sentences. Ready? This. Not. Here. With. All. Of. Some. Your. Come. Were. So we're going to try it again, and this time I'm going to give you time to say it before me, and then I'll say it, and if you missed it, say it after me or with me, okay? This. Not. Here. With. All. Of. Some. Your. Come. Were. We already did that one. Okay, so when you're not at school this summer, make sure that you practice your sight words so that when you are in kindergarten next year, you'll be able to read really fast because your kindergarten teacher is going to give you lots of sight words and you're going to have to read them really fast. When you read a sight word, you should be able to read it really quickly so that you don't spend a lot of time thinking when you're reading. Now, we are going to read some sentences that Miss Stewart wrote. So I have pictures at the top. We're going to read these sentences, and then we are going to put the correct picture by, I'm going to hold this so that it's a little bit easier to read. Ooh. Okay, let's read the first sentence. What word is this? I. S-E-E spells S-E. C, that's easy, that's a letter, A, and then we have a CVC word. You might be able to read this. If you can't, let's sound it out together. What sound does H make? What sound does A make? Ah, ah, and what sound does T make? T, at, hat, hat. Let's read it together, the whole sentence. I, C, A, hat. Now look at these pictures. Which of these pictures matches what we read? Would we put a sun beside that? No. Would we put a cat? Hat and cat do rhyme, but was our sentence about a cat? What about this hat? I'm going to take off the cat for right now. What about this hat? Does that match? I see a hat? Yeah, so I'm going to put the hat right here. I see a hat. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. And put my pictures back up at the top. Because you're going to need it. THE spells the. Okay, now here's a CVC word. This is a D. D goes D. Ah. O goes ah, so D. Ah. And what sound does G make? G. D. Og. Dog. Dog. The dog. IS spells is. The dog is. And then we know this color word. It's a color word. We go R-E-D. Red. So let's put it all together. The dog is red. Which one of my pictures matches that sentence? The dog is red. Is this about a dog being red? Is this about a dog being red? Yes. So I'm going to put the dog right there. Okay. Let's do another sentence. Ooh, we're just going to leave that one off while we read. Okay. This one's easy. It's just a letter. I, H-A-V-E spells have. I have. So letter, the first letter of the alphabet, it says its name. A. I have a. This is a color word. So the color word starts with B, and we have songs for all our colors. So B-L-U-E spells blue. Blue. I have a blue, and then a CVC word. What sound does C make? K. What sound does A make? A. K. A. And what sound does T make? T. K. A. T. Blend it. Cat. Cat. I have a blue cat. Let's look at our 3 pictures left. We have a picture of a sun. Our sentence said, I have a blue cat. Is the sentence about a sun? No. Okay. What about this picture of this cat? Is this a blue cat? Yeah. So our cat goes right here beside it. So we have I see a hat. The dog is red. I have a blue cat. And then our last one, well, we have 2. We'll see if we have time. Let me put my pictures up at the top. IT is a sight word. What is IT? It. IS is. It is. And then it's a CVC word. What sound does H make? O goes ah, ah. And what sound does T make? T. Hot. 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 So let's put it all together. It is hot. It is hot. Does a fan make you hot? Does the sun make you hot? Yeah, if the sun is out and it's really bright in the summer, it's hot. So we're going to put a sun beside it is hot. Very good. Let's read our sentences one last time, and then we'll be done with our lesson for today. Because you're almost in kindergarten, so these are going to be super short. We're just going to review and practice for kindergarten. So let's read this one. I'm going to read it with you this time. I see a hat. I see a hat. The dog is red. The dog is red. I have a blue cat. And last one. It is hot. It is hot. Very good. Did you see how I was pointing to all the letters when I read? How I was touching under the words? That's how I knew when to take pauses between when I was reading. Great job. You are going to be such a good readers when you're in kindergarten. I can't wait to see you reading. Maybe you can come read to the pre-K kids when you're in kindergarten. Okay, good job. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.